he told them, I know I will not be in this earth for very long, so I'm going to give all this property to only one of you, so that to ensure that everything will be taken care of. Here's not going to divide the property. I'm going abroad for 1 week, and I'm going to put you on a test. Each one of you will get a goat, and then whoever gets the most milk from the goat will inherit all of this property.
All right.
So after 1 week, he came back, and then he called the eldest son. The eldest son brought 1 gallon of milk. Very good. So you were able to milk 1 gallon of milk. I think you know about this already.
Not yet.
And then he called the second one, and then he also brought 1 gallon of milk. And then he called the youngest son. He brought only a half glass. And then what happened to you? Your 2 other siblings were able to milk 1 gallon each. You only were able to milk a half glass. And then the son said, "Did you remember, Daddy? You gave me a male goat."